Hi and welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. I'm here with my daughter and she and I are going to be drawing
Baby Moana.
Yeah, I already did older Moana with my younger daughter, and now with my older daughter I'm gonna do Baby Moana. Anyway, so grab a Sharpie and get drawing with us. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna start with her eye right here. We're gonna make a rainbow shape right there. And then it curves underneath. And then she's going to be looking down, and so you make a rainbow right here, and then another rainbow right here. And then inside of this last one, you're just going to leave some highlights in there. And then fill the rest in black. And then we're going to do, I'm just fixing up this line. And then we're gonna do some, our dogs are barking. We're gonna do some eyelashes off to the side. Good job. Okay, so now she just got a cute little nose right here. We're gonna draw her other eye with a big rainbow right here. And then it curves underneath and joins up. And then, just like on the other, she's looking down. And then a circle inside that gets hidden under the bottom of her eye. And then just leave some highlights in there. Alright, and then we're going to do some eyelashes coming out this side. Alright, so she's looking down, she's got a cute little nose, and now we're going to give her a cute little smile. Cute. Okay, so now we're going to draw her eyebrows, like this. So there's one, and then here's the other. A little longer. Cute. All right, now let's work on her flower and her hair first. So right here, we're going to draw a curved line like that. And then right here, we're going to draw another curved line. And then right here, we're going to draw another curved line. And one more right here. And last one right here. Okay, and then what we're going to do is come right here and join it up to make a petal, and then come right here and join it up to make a petal. Come right here, join it up to make a petal, and then come right here and join it up, and then come right here and join up the last one. And the reason I did it like that is because that's what these flowers are like. They kind of overlap. Cute. Okay, so now we can do the side of her face, which is just a little curved line right here. And then her ear is a backward C. Now for her face, what we're going to do is we're going to try to have the line for her face go right under here. It doesn't go very far down. So the way I want to start it is I'm actually going to start over here and then join it up over here, okay? So right here next to her eyelash, we're gonna go out for a cheek, curve it down underneath her mouth, and then join it up to her ear. Cute. All right, and then we're gonna do her bangs real quick. So it comes down, and then down again, and kind of over, a swoop. Then it swoops over here. All right, so then we're gonna come by her cheek. Sorry, I'll give you a second. Now we're gonna come by her cheek and just go straight up into her hair. Okay, and then she's got these little hair curls for her short hair that's coming out. And we're not going to color them in black right now because her hair is like kind of a really dark brown. It's not quite black yet. Okay, so now we're gonna come over here and do some curls. Just kind of some messy hair going off to the side. And then right here next to the flower, I'm gonna curl down and then just bring it in together. So now we can go right here next to this flower petal and just do a curved line and meet it up.
Oops.
All right, so we can darken all that in just a little bit. You might want to darken up the top part of her eye. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is her arms. You ready? So we're gonna draw a line starting right under her mouth, her smile, and it goes to right here. It's kind of under her eye. And then right here, this is where her wrist is gonna be. We're gonna draw a line going back. Okay, and then right here, we're gonna draw her chest meeting up with her face. She doesn't really have a neck. And then from right here, we're gonna draw her other arm like that. Okay, so now we're gonna draw her lower hand first. Ready? Okay, so we're gonna draw kind of like a square shape rectangle right here for her thumb. And then down here, it's gonna come out a little further. And then this is where her other fingers are gonna be. And so you just kind of do little lines. Because she's holding on to something, so her fingers are actually curled. And then right here, we're gonna draw a thumb with like a triangle shape. And then a little, so draw like a pyramid. Yep, and then, yeah, there you go. And then we're gonna draw her other fingers inside of this rectangle. And so that's how they meet up together. So her hand is holding onto this palm frond. Okay, so now for the palm frond, first you do just like a little stem underneath here. And then it comes out of her hand right here. Like that.
What over that?
Yeah, think about how it goes through her hand and up. Good job. All right, and then it curves down. And then we've got a diagonal line back up, and then diagonal line over, and then kind of curves over. And then it makes a skinny U that way. And then it keeps going down, and then it comes back diagonal, and then it goes back diagonal that way, and then it continues curving down to a point, and then it comes back up, and then it curves over here, and then look at over where this line is, and come down from it, and that's how they meet up.
This one?
Yeah. Okay, and then it comes down again, and then over. It's okay if your palm frond's smaller. And then it curves back up, and then down, and then it curves over and up. It's okay if yours is a small palm frond. It's fine if our pictures are different. And then we're gonna draw a line. So it starts here, and it goes to the end. Okay, so there's our palm frond. And then we need to draw the rest of her body, and then we'll draw the sea turtle, okay? So her back is just kind of like curved, like a slightly curved line going down. And you'll probably want to go a little further, but let's see. Okay, so then look at her chest. And then it's going to come down to her little belly because she's a baby. And then it goes back. So it meets up. Cute. Yours is so cute. All right, and now she's got her little diaper thing.
It's like a skirt.
Yeah, skirt diaper. So yeah, you curve it down and then it curves back and up. And then it meets up right here. And then it has two little flares back there, like little triangle shapes.
Because she's walking.
Mm-hmm. And I'm gonna do it with red marker so that there's not an outline. Okay, so with a red marker, you don't have to do it with red, but I'm just gonna do it.
Rainbows.
Yeah, little rainbows.
I'll do it with red.
Okay. And then just like a little line in each of those. Very good. Okay. So now we're, oops, didn't click. If you don't hear a click,
The
then
marker will get sick.
yep, you learned that in kindergarten, huh?
Mhm.
Now the girls are saying it. Okay, so now we're gonna draw her leg that's coming forward. So you're gonna start right under this rainbow and kind of curve, do a curvy line like that. Perfect. And then her foot is just a simple line up, and then her toe, and then diagonal line up. And then her back foot is just kind of a curved line down. And then forward for her toe. And then a curved line back. And then a curved line up. And I'm wanting to just change this a little bit to go up a little more, and maybe her skirt comes down a little bit more. But you don't have to if you don't want to.
So you can also, then it looks more like there's a...
The back part of it. Okay, that's
Yeah.
cute. All right. So now I need to draw the turtle. So now the sea turtle, we're gonna draw a curved line
For the head.
for the head. And I'm drawing mine kind of big, probably to help you see better. And then it comes back to here, but it doesn't meet up. And then he's got a big eye. And he's looking up at Moana in gratitude and trust. Cute. And then a little smile. Because she's helping him survive. Okay. And
Because of a seagull.
yeah. So then a little line going back for the neck. And now we need to draw the shell. So it makes a curved line back and then over. And that's all we'll do for right now on the shell. Because right now we're gonna do the front fin. So a little line here, and then it comes up and then back like that.
The fin is bigger than the body.
Yeah, they have really big front fins. And then it curves down
Well, it's mostly bigger than the body.
and then up.
You make those lines so thick.
Just practice. Okay, and then the bottom part of the shell goes like that. And then the front fin is gonna come curve up and then down. And then it's gonna have a little line underneath. And then this continues behind over there. All right, so now we can draw like the edge of the shell. So we're gonna have two lines actually.
Does the shell go down here?
No, just right here.
No.
So it kind of just has a little line along here for the bottom part of the shell. Yeah. There you go. And then we're going to draw kind of like a pattern on the back of the shell. Very
It's
good.
like puzzle pieces.
Yeah, it's like puzzle pieces. All right, and then the back fin, the one that you can see, is just right here.
It's tiny
Little
compared to
fin.
the
Yep.
other one.
Very cute. All right, so now we can color it. Our coloring is in time lapse, so it's going super fast, but you can pause it on our example and use it for a reference to know how to color it.
It's cool that you can just do that.
Yeah, it is so nice. Hey, we got sea turtles and we just drew a sea turtle. Those ones are a little different because they're realistic looking, huh?
Mm-hmm. And their mama sea turtles.
Yeah, they're grown-ups instead of babies. All right. Well, we hope you had fun drawing with us. I had fun drawing Baby Moana with you. That was fun. I would love to see how yours turns out. So the way that you can show it to me is by having one of your parents or grown-up take a picture of it and then put it on Instagram in your stories and tag me at Sarah Hatch Art Studio. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our future videos. We'll see you next time. Bye!